Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel कीना ब्यूटी एंड लाइफस्टाइल। माय नेम इज़ नम्रता और आज मैं आपके साथ क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ ये सिंपल होम मेकअप लुक। इस लुक को मैंने कैसे क्रिएट किया है ये जानने के लिए आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने अपना फेस धो लिया है अच्छे से विद अ गुड क्लिनजर और अभी आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस पॉन्ड्स सुपरलाइट जेल। इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन and good for monsoons as well. So I'll be taking this much and I'll be applying it on my face. Don't forget your neck area. It has a very good smell. So after applying my moisturizer, I'm going to use the CC cream, Lakme 925 CC cream. My shade is Beige. So since it's a everyday makeup look, I'm going to use this cream and it gives you a very medium coverage. It's better than the BB cream. I'm going to use a little bit of it and gently spread it all over my face. I'm going to use my fingertips. So yeah, just spread it evenly all over your face. It gives me medium coverage and I don't need a heavy look. So this is the coverage it gives. See. And I'm going to use this only on my eyelids. Because I'm going to use an eyeshadow which will be matte. A little bit of it. So yeah, can you see? Okay, now after using the CC cream, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix to fix all my flaws and all. This is in the shade NC30. My shade is NC30 and here I am going to use my MAC brush. This is MAC 135. I am going to leave the link in the description box and you guys can check it out. So yeah, I'll just spread it all over my face. So here I'm done with my base. This is my base. Now I'll start with the eye. For the eyes, firstly I'm going to enhance my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I'm going to use this InnisFree eyebrow pencil. Okay, it has two ends and on the other end it has this spoolie. So I'll be doing my brows first. Gently push it downwards. And fill the gaps. My eyebrows are quite thick, so I don't need that much. Just to shape it a little bit. And with this help of this pulley, I'm going to gently spread it and so that it gives me a natural look. That's it for my brows. Can you see the difference? Yeah, see how lovely it looks. Now after the eyebrows, I'm going to use this Maybelline Blush Nude palette and I'm going to use a natural shade because it's everyday makeup. So I'll be using this color. Alright, and I'm going to put it on my eyelids. Here I'm using my fingertips. You can use brush also. Just gently dab in. Don't worry, I'm going to show with brush as well on my other eye. So yeah, this is the shade. I hope you all can see. The other one, I'm going to use this blush. This is from EcoTools. I'm going to link all the products in the description box. Do check it out. Gently dab it on your eyelids. It will give you a very good look. See, just to blend. The key is to blend. Just blend it nicely. Blend, blend and blend. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm done with my eyelids. Now most of you can use eyeliner also. I'm not going to use eyeliner. Instead of eyeliner, I'm just going to use a mascara. This is Maybelline Total Temptations. This is a waterproof mascara and it's my personal favorite. It will instantly lift your eyelashes and make your face look very nice. Just gentle strokes in the upward direction. See the difference? I hope you are all liking this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. The lower lash as well. Okay, now I'm going to use Plum Kajal. Just put it in your waterline. Just put it on your waterline and gently give it a gentle stroke. I hope you all can see. So yeah, I'm done with my eyes. Okay, now for the face, I'm not going to contour my face because it's an everyday makeup look. Contouring, I do it generally for occasions or parties and stuff. So I'll be using just a blush. I'm using this LA Colors blush and highlight palette. So it has both blush and highlight as well. Here I'm going to use MAC 128 brush and gently put it on my cheeks. Can you see it? I have put the blush. Now for the lips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this lipstick shade. This is a very natural shade. This is Milani pretty natural. It's by the Milani and the shade is Pretty Natural. So I'm just going to use it on my lips. You can use any nude shade. Yeah, that's the shade. Alright guys, now I'm done with my face makeup and I'm wearing this kurti. This is from Ajio. I'm going to link this on the description box from where I got. So do check it out. So since I'm wearing an Indian dress, Indian attire, I'm going to use a bindi. To use this red bindi. Red is my personal favorite. So yeah, this is the bindi. And I'm going to use this jhumki to give it a whole Indian look. Alright, for the hair, I'm just going to gently brush my hair and put it like this. Here I'm using this wooden comb. So yeah guys, this is my final look. Hope you like it, and if you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Keena Beauty and Lifestyle. Or else what you can do is use a clutcher. I'll show you the clutcher also. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you liked it और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। आगे आप किस टाइप की वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं, कौन से कंटेंट्स देखना चाहते हैं, हॉल देखना चाहते हैं या कोई मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल देखना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ मेरे कमेंट्स में जाके ज़रूर बताइएगा। मैं आपके लिए डेफिनेटली वो लुक या हॉल क्रिएट करूँगी। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। बाय।